Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a super refreshing and crunchy dish, spicy shredded chicken salad. It's spicy, aromatic, and perfect for hot weather. Let's start with the chicken. Place the chicken breast into cold water. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking wine. Bring it to a boil and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Skim off the foam. Then add large pieces of scallion, ginger, and dried Angelica paprika root, along with 1 teaspoon of salt. Let it simmer uncovered for 3 to 5 minutes. After that, cover with a lid and gently simmer for about 15 minutes. Now let's prepare the vegetables. Take a large scallion stalk, cut it in half. Remove the inner core. Then slice it into thin strips. Make sure to cut it on a slight angle. Don't cut straight down along the fibers, or it will feel too tough. Slice some red pepper, and also some green chili pepper into thin strips. Add a handful of fresh cilantro. Once the chicken is cooked, let it cool until it's warm but not hot. Do not rinse it under cold water. When it's just warm, shred it into thin strips by hand. Now let's assemble everything. Add into the vegetables. Half a tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon chili oil. Mix well. Then season with 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chicken powder, 2 teaspoons sugar. Stir everything until well combined. Now add the shredded chicken. Finally, add a handful of roasted peanuts and mix everything together thoroughly. Then it's ready to serve. Let me try it first. Wow, this is so crunchy, fragrant, and has a really nice bite to it. Super flavorful and perfect for summer. You should definitely try this at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.